Keep watching if you want to check out an amazing twist on the classic Manhattan cocktail. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a twist on the Manhattan. It is called the Black Manhattan, and the reason it's called black is because it has Averna instead of sweet vermouth. It is a rye-based cocktail, and today I'm going to use a Australian, made in Melbourne, Rye Whiskey. It is called the Gospel. It's a Solera rye. It's made from 100% rye, and it is grown in the Mallee, so it's pretty much one of the driest places in the driest countries in the world, and I'm really excited to try it in the Black Manhattan. I've drank it a lot on its own, and it is bloody delicious, and bartenders in Melbourne and around Australia are really supporting this product, which is fantastic. For all of my international viewers, guys, there are a lot of fantastic ryes all over the world. You could substitute this with Woodford, this cocktail. You could substitute it with Rittenhouse. I really like Knob Creek as well if you want a little bit higher ABV. This one sits at 42.5, so I think it works really, really well. And we're going to add 60 mils or 2 ounces to this cocktail. And I'm going to drink this whole cocktail today. We have been filming a few videos, so I'm just having a sip, doing my tasting, getting rid of them, but I'm not going to do it with this one. Next up, 30 mils or 1 ounce of Averna, which is a delicious Amaro. Then a dash of Angostura Bitters. I'm doing a couple out of these bitter bottles because you don't get that much out of it. Another dash of Regan's Orange Bitters, the great Gaz Regan's Bitters. We're going to stir this down. Tell you what, that smells so good already. So what we're doing now is we're stirring it down to add a bit of dilution and also to chill the cocktail down. Geez, I can really smell that rye already. It smells delicious. Okay, I'm going to give that a try first. Perfect. As you can see, I always chill my glassware down. No need to double strain this one. Look at that colour. Obviously that's why it's called the Black Manhattan. We're using a maraschino cherry as a garnish. I'm going to give it a try. Yeah, that is really good. The rye definitely comes through. I was a little bit worried with 30 mils of Averna that it might sort of cover the flavour, but I'm really getting that nice spice from the Gospel rye. The Averna, just adding that really nice sort of delicate bitterness to it. Those herbs, those root flavours are coming through as well. It's diluted down perfectly. Pretty strong drink. You know, you couldn't drink a lot of them, but definitely gonna drink a whole lot of this one, I tell you. Yum, 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 yum. Gospel rye. And I'm not sponsored by the guys, I just love supporting something that's local. Get out, give it a try for our Australian viewers. All the viewers around the world, thank you so much. We just went over 80,000 views, which is fantastic. Please like, subscribe, keep letting us grow, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.